is in, all the piping is in. Okay, this they installed at the wrong side, but it's okay. Everything is in. And yesterday we spent a whole lot of time solving the wiring, getting the wiring sorted, right? And yeah, look at all this bunch. We we'll find the radiator fan control and the control for the idle valve solenoid. So we program them properly so that we have a proper idling for the air conditioning. So the car starts, and yeah, basically, you know, getting the idle control done and all of those output configurations. Yep, that's all that. Almost done. Most of the things done. Done. Mostly done. Finally looks like a car. Alright, guys, before I head off for some work on the hood, yeah, let me give some major update. The car is running and driving, right? It has a new set of tires, Yokohama advanced level, right? Front and back, they are the same finally, right? And yeah, we've been sorting all the small little stuff since the car's moving and running fine, right? But there's still a lot of stuff to do basically, right? Through these few days we sort out little things here and there, wirings, you know. Probably some of the things I'll go to the engine bay later, right? And we also sort out the switches, get a new switch instead of the janky ones, right? And yeah, sort out some of those messy wiring in there and get all the windows tinted. The main windows are not. Why? I'll explain later. You also get the boot sorted, right? Because the boot had a hard time to close due to the latch position. Maybe it has been some you know, it's been hit behind before probably. So yeah, look, all the cloth and all the boards are there. And also replace all the seals, the boot seals, the passenger side door seals. Yeah, this is the driver side door seals. I have yet to replace it yet because the hinges still need work. Yeah, and also replace the rear lights to red, more of a stock look, but mainly it's because the white ones already flooded inside the lights. Yeah, the reason why I haven't installed this is because the hinge, right? The hinge has, you know, dropped. If you look at this, yeah, and free play, and you listen to the door close, you know. Yeah, I need to replace the hinge before I replace these seals here. See, it's been out and dried up and crowded, and all these pins unable to, you know, go in. So yeah, those are the little things. And clean up the car a little bit previously, and all the gauges are still not in yet because I'm going for a tinted later tonight, right? Going to do a tinted. Yeah, let's move to the hood. If you can see the hood is a little bit, you know, out of shape, and a new windscreen. So you guys can imagine why is it out of shape and why do I need new windscreen, right? Those that had this kind of hood pins before, you know what you know, right? Right, let's get the hood open up for updates in the engine sides. Right, yeah, the turbo blanket is supposed to be in a hot side, but the hot side is a little bit too small. No, I should say the turbo blanket is a bit too high, too big for the hot side, so I put it in the cold side. But yeah, the turbo blanket looked janky there, so I removed it. Just bear with this, just the scratches. Yeah, and everything works, and we've been dealing with this. It is called the idle control valve, right? Yeah, we've wired it into the ECU to control the idling. It's been idling quite low when it started, and also when we turn on the air conditioning, right? And everything worked fine, but one major thing to do next, ordered next, is the sensor. Yeah, this mainly is this, and then go all the way to the exhaust downpipe. Oh, where it is, just trace this wire all the way down there. Yeah. So yeah, that needs to be replaced. I will buy a Bosch ones for reliability, because it will detect the air fuel ratios and the lambda value lah, basically. Yep, and I'm gonna replace this hood later, right? You know what it is because of its shape. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Yep, and some of the little nigger stuff that has been replaced to a proper rubber ones from the cable tie. But for me, last night when I removed the cable tie, seems like the cable tie is, you know, sturdier than this. We'll see. Yeah, and the gears changed good. Everything looks good, right? And yeah, I also replaced the rubber for the pedals. There, I have another set with the metal ones with rubber, but I want to get used to this. I need a grippier rubber because I need to get used to the clutch. And also the throttle pedal, I have one that is looking nicer. So yep, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's get this started. Sweeping gauge. Yeah, and the idle is more than thousands when it's cold, right? So it's idling quite nicely nowadays. So yeah, finally look like a car. Yeah, sorry, yeah, I did not film most of the, you know, updates, like, you know, because I'm been focusing on getting this done and running as a usual car, right, including the tires and stuff, replacing the tires and get all the things done, like the test runs, a couple of shakedown runs, test runs on the high boost and low boost. Yeah, it needs a wash, and yeah, it needs this, right? I've been forgetting that. And also yesterday when I removed this door panel, it needs some plastic in it to prevent the, you know, water from leaking in. So yeah, still some things to get done, stuff to buy, sensors to replace. Nice exhaust. Yep, that's it. I'll update more further as the process go. You know, projects never end. See you guys later.